Penly versus Journal. Two powerful note-taking apps, but built for different people. Whether you're a digital planner or a productivity junkie, this guide will help you choose the best app for your needs. Penly isn't just a note-taking app. It's built to mimic the experience of writing in a physical planner while offering the flexibility and tools of a digital workspace. Penly currently has a 3.9 out of 5 rating on the Google Play Store. That means most users are happy with it, especially Android tablet users. Let's move to Journal. A journal is more than just a notebook. It's a personal space where your thoughts, goals, emotions, and ideas come to life. Journal currently has a 4.8 out of rating on Apple Store. That means most users are happy with it. And now we're comparing Penly for Android and Journal for iOS, two very different apps designed for note-taking and personal journaling. Let's break down their features, side by side. Penly is a digital planner with handwriting, typing, PDF markup, stickers, and hyperlinks. Journal is for multimedia journaling, text, photos, videos, audio, and activity tracking. Penly is feature-packed but has a learning curve. Journal is clean, simple, and great for quick daily entries. Penly costs around $5.99 and works on Android with stylus support. Journal is free but only available on iPhones with iOS 17 Plus. Penly supports PDFs and stickers but lacks cloud sync. Journal integrates with Apple features and stores your data securely. Penly has 3.9 stars on Play Store. Journal is loved by iPhone users for habit building, though some find it too simple. Pick Penly if you want control and customization on Android. Choose Journal for an easy guided journaling experience on iPhone. So that's it. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.